सुप्रभातं, नमो नमः, नमो गुरुभ्यः। एनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृष्णं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। अद्य लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुद्यां संज्ञाप्रकरणे वर्णितं प्रथमं सूत्रं हलन्त्यं पठामः। Today let us learn about the first sutra described in Laghusiddhanta Kaumudi, and it is Halantyam. गतदिने माहेश्वरसूत्राणि अधीतवन्तः। अत्र संज्ञाप्रकरणे प्रायशः संज्ञासूत्राणि एव बहूनि भवन्ति। In संज्ञाप्रकरण most of the sutras are Satnya Sutras. You have learnt about the different categories of sutras. So the Satnya Sutras generally define technical terms related to Vyakarana. So the term Satnya means the specific term used in Vyakarana, and this sutra also define a technical term that is related to Vyakarana. Let us see the text. The sutra is written here, Halantyam. It is not the first sutra of Ashtadhyayi, and it comes in the first chapter, third pada, and it is the third sutra there. So it is written in the brackets 1, 3, 3. अत्र एतानि अक्षराणि हरितवर्णेन अङ्कितानि भवन्ति। एतानि तु लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदी ग्रन्थे अन्तर्भवति। एकवारं पठामि। The sentences that are written in green letters, and it is of Laghusiddhanta Kaumudi. Let me read it. Halantyam Upadeshentyam halit syat. Upadesha adyocharanam Sutreshvadrishtam padam Sutrantaradannuvartaniyam sarvatra. In these lines, Laghusiddhanta Kaumudi describes about the meaning of this sutra, and it also says other specialities related to this sutra, and it comment on the sutra. For learning a sutra, we have to follow certain steps. The first step is we have to do the padacheda, and we have to know what are the words used in that sutra. In the sutra Halantyam, there are two words, Hal and Antyam. Then Halantyam. Hal Antyam iti Dvipadam Sutram. Padam means word. Dvipadam means that which have two words. So Halandyam is a two-word sutra. Hal Andyam iti Dvipadam sutra. Then we have to know the purpose of the sutra. So we have to say like this. Anena sutrena it satnya vidhiyate. Anena sutrena. By this sutra, it satnya vidhiyate. The term it is explained or defined. So we have learned about the padas or words in the sutra, and we have learned about the purpose of the sutra. Then we have to learn about the meaning of the sutra, and it is explained in Lakhusiddhanta Kaumudi, and through Lakhusiddhanta Kaumudi we have to learn about the meaning. In the first line, Lakhusiddhanta Kaumudi states that state the meaning of the general meaning of the sutra. It is thus Upadeshendyam halit syat. Padachhedah Upadeshe andyam hal it syat. Hal means consonant or vyanjana. Upadeshe antyam hal. Antya means at the end. Hal means vyanjana. Upadeshe antyam hal. The vyanjana at the end of Upadesha. It syat is it. So the general meaning of the sutra is thus. The vyanjana at the end of Upadesha is termed as it. So this is the meaning. Then we have to know what Upadesha is. We do not know about this term, and it is also described in Lakhusiddhanta Kaumudi. Upadesha Adyocharanam. Padachhedah Upadeshaha Adyocharanam. Adyam cha tat ucharanam iti Adyocharanam. Adya means first. Ucharanam means pronunciation or utterance. So the first utterance is termed as Upadesha. So a question occurs here. The first utterance of who? It is said that the first utterance of ancient teachers. Samanyatah sutrakarasya vartikakarasya va prathamam uchcharanam upadeshah. Generally, it is the first utterance done by Sutrakara, Panini, or Vartikakara, Katyayanaha. So, Upadesha is the first utterance of ancient teachers like Panini, Katyayana, etc. Now we have to know more about the speciality of the first utterance. And in this verse, the different categories come under this Upadesha are described. Dhatu Sutra Ganonadi Vakyalinganuशासनम् Agama Pratyayadeshaha Upadeshaः Prakirtitaः. These are known as Upadesha. These categories are included in Upadesha and it is treated as the first utterances done by the ancient teachers. And they are Dhatu, Sutra, Gana, Unadi, Vakya, Linganuशासनम्, Agama, Pratyaya and Adesha. So, those which are come under these categories are included in Upadesha or termed as Upadesha. Here, the Dhatu, Gana, Unadi, we will learn about them later. You are familiar with a word Sutra. Here the Sutra, the word Sutra indicates, points out Maheshwara Sutras. So Maheshwara Sutras are Upadesha. Maheshwara Sutrani Upadeshe Andarbhavanti. So Maheshwara Sutra included in Upadesha, and naturally according to the Sutra Halantyam, the last consonants or Vyanjanas in Maheshwara Sutras are treated as It. So, the Vyanjana letters at the end of the Maheshwara Sutras, such as N, K, Ng, Ch, T, etc., get the status of It. These Vyanjana letters are all Its. So today we have learnt about the first sutra described in Laksithanta Kaumudi, and it is Halantyam, which has two words, Hal and Antyam. Anena sutrena itsatnya vidhiyate. With this sutra, the term It is defined. Upadeshentyam Halitsyat. The Vyanjana at the end of Upadesha is termed as It. Upadesha is the first utterance of ancient teachers. Maheshwara Sutras are included in the Upadesha. So, according to this sutra, the last Vyanjana letter in Maheshwara Sutras are Its. So, this is all for today. We will continue with this sutra in the next class. Dhanyavadah.